Hello, this is a video that shows how to solve the Best Wishes for 2025 puzzle that I put online on 29th of December last year and had as a special feature this big zigzag 2025 multiplication cage. If you'd first like to try this puzzle yourself, click on the link in the description, pause the video, and then maybe if you need to, come back to the video for the solution. Okay, let's start. First, maybe fill in the obvious ideas. So 40 times, that has to be a 2, 4 and a 5. So in this column we have a 3 and a 1 left. For this 5 plus cage, it means that here there's either a 4 or a 2. This 10 times cage is 1 times 2 times 5 in some order. And now maybe let's look at this 2025 clue and compute the numbers that you have to multiply together to get 2025. Well, obviously it's divisible by 5, which gives 405, which in turn is also divisible by 5, which gives 81. Now 81 you might recognize from your primary school multiplication tables is equal to 9 times 9, which is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 2025 is 5 times 5 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That's 6 digits, but as you can see the cage itself has 8 cells. So somewhere in there there's a 1 and another 1. Right, we multiply by 1 and by 1 again, and we still get 2025. Now then, when I first solved it, I thought I was being really clever by seeing that this 2025 cage has 2 5s. The 10 times cage has 1 5, and the 40 times cage also has 1 5, which leaves one more 5 that has to go into a different cage. It can't be this one. It can't be this one, and it's not this one. So the final 5 has to go into this cage. And I thought that was a smart way of solving it, but then of course there's a 4 here. So you could have immediately seen this, that this cage cannot be 2 plus 4. It would have to be 5 plus 1. Furthermore, in the bottom row there can be no 5 anywhere except here. So the ordering for the 6 plus cage is 5 plus 1. This leaves a 2 and a 3 in the leftmost column, but obviously the 2 is not a factor of 2025, so the 3 goes here and the 2 goes here. This then means that this is a 1 or a 4, right? 2 divided by 1 or 4 divided by 2. So now let's look at this cage. This can either be 4 times 3 times 1 or 3 times 2 times 2. And one way of figuring it out is by trying one, then again realizing that here this has to be a 1 and a 3. Impossible, because the 1 and a 3 already are taken. Or you could see that this has to be a 2 and a 5, which is impossible because 2025 is not an even number. So this has to be through 3, 2, 2. This has to be 4, 1. This has to be 3 and a 5. We're going really quickly now. A 2 and a 1 left. A 3 left here. This has to be a 1. This has to be a 4, of course. This is a 5, a 1, a 2, a 1. 4 left here, a 2 left here, a 5 left here, and so on. And we solve the puzzle. I think one interesting modification, because obviously in this puzzle there are many ways that lead to the solution. And an interesting modification would be to change it in such a way that there's only a single path to the solution. So I could leave this as a challenge to the viewers. If you have any ideas about this, send me a message or leave a note in the comments. Alright, I hope you like this video, and see you at the next one. Bye bye.